Looking to ace your exams or master a new skill? Welcome to ExpertBuddy, the easiest way to book a tutor anytime, anywhere. Step 1. Download the ExpertBuddy app from your App Store. Just tap, download, and you're all set to start learning. Once the app opens, tap on the Book Appointment button. It's right on the home screen, easy to find. Next, select the subject you need help with. From math and science to history, languages, and more, we've got every subject covered. Now, here comes the exciting part, exploring our tutors. Browse through detailed profiles, read their descriptions, check out their resumes, and see their availability. Find the tutor that's perfect for you. When you've found your match, pick a time from their schedule and book your session. Just complete the payment and boom, your class is booked, and that's it. Your learning journey has officially begun. And when it's class time, enjoy an engaging one-to-one session with your tutor, tailored to your needs. It's personal, it's effective, and it's fun. So, what are you waiting for? Download ExpertBuddy today and book your first tutor. Your success story starts now.